and I'm meeting a lovely ladies from the Czech Republic. It's very cool to meet those people. Beautiful Tuesday morning in Puerto, and I'm meeting a lovely ladies from the Czech Republic, from my country. Ahoj holky, vítejte v Puerto. Tak jste studentky?
Já studuju, já pracuju.
Dobře, tak užívejte Puerto, všechno. Rád jsem vás potkal. Ahoj. Little bit kalima still, but it's not that bad. You can see Alteide. Well, behind those palmeras. 6 o'clock, 25 degrees, people. Amazing Tuesday, warm. Lago is empty because people are gone. It's open until 6. Let's see our beaches, if there are some people. Let's go to Playa de Martianes first. Hello! There's another YouTuber with 360 camera walking. Check this out. Ocean is like a lake. No waves, no surfers. Let's say hello to YouTuber. Hello YouTuber, welcome to Puerto. Playa de San Telmo. Lovely situation, people. I love this beach. Viva la música, Englishman. Elmway, a lovely situation. Lots of people still. Playa del Castillo. Vamos! A sparkling ocean, I love it. Like millions of diamonds. Still don't know the name of the paradise. Puerto de la Cruz, people. Best place on this planet. Still European Union. Amazing. I love this town and place and this island. Can see something special here. Hi guys, I'm a YouTuber. Is it alright? May I take a video? Of a few exercising?
Share it with us,
Of course, I will.
please, because people take so many videos and then don't come back and we never see the stuff.
Bueno, se está moviendo ella.
Ah, bueno.
Hablamos español.
Un poco.
You speak English? It's beautiful.
It's only starting.
Ukraine. Slava Ukraine.
Героям слава.
Героям українським слава. All the best. Lovely to meet you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
It was very cool to meet those people. And we are in Punta Brava, Playa Maria Jimenez. Amazing sandy beach. Today waves are very gentle, really, very, very gentle. Playa Chica is open again. Well, there is some tape. It's a working site. Construction site. We are back, Playa del Castillo. So this is amazing. Tuesday evening in paradise in Puerto de la Cruz in Tenerife.
Niña, quédate ahí todo lo que
¡Viva la música!
Ellos te lo dejo todo, pero mira, mi guitarra.
This is Puerto, people. I love this place. Thank you for watching to the end. We are spreading the beauty and positive vibes from Puerto de la Cruz, Tenerife. You hopefully feel I love this place. If you want to support us, it's easy. Please join the club. You can see much more from my videos. Or there's PayPal for donations. So all the best. Let's greetings from Puerto and viva la música.